Hari Om Namaste. Let us chant Srimad Bhagavad Gita, second chapter, Sankhya Yoga, Shlokas 7 and 8. Karpanya dosho pahatasva bhavaha pritchami tvam dharma sammoda chetaha yachreyasyanishchitam bruhi tanme shishyasteham shadhimam tvam prapannam nahi prapashyami mamapanudhyad yacchoka mucchoshana mindriyanam avapya bhuma vasapatna mriddham rajyam suranamapi chadipatyam karpanya dosho pahatasva bhavaha karpanya dosho pahatasva bhavaha pritchami tvam dharma sammoda chetaha pritchami tvam dharma sammoda chetaha yachreyasyanishchitam bruhi tanme yachreyasyanishchitam bruhi tanme shishyasteham shadhimam tvam prapannam shishyasteham shadhimam tvam prapannam nahi prapashyami mamapanudhyad nahi prapashyami mamapanudhyad yacchokamuccoshanamindriyanam avapya bhuma vasapatnamriddham avapya bhuma vasapatnamriddham rajyam suranamapi chadipatyam rajyam suranamapi chadipatyam. Harihi Om.